Hello students, in this video we are going to solve class 6 math chapter 5 question about co-prime numbers. It's page 122 question 1 and the question is, are the following pairs of numbers co-prime? Guess first and then use prime factorization to verify your answer. So here we all know that co-prime numbers are numbers which only have a common factor of number 1. So they have no common factor in between them except number 1. Let's start solving this question. First part is A part. Here we have two numbers 30 and 45. So first we need to guess whether these numbers are co-prime or not. So first we are going to guess, as the numbers are 30 and 45, and 30 and 45 both are divisible by 5. It has a 0 and 5 in the units place, so they both are divisible by 5, so they must have a common factor of 5, so they are not co-prime numbers. So I am going to write here not co-prime because the digits are 0 and 5 divisible by 5. That's our reason. Now we'll do the prime factorization and verify whether they are co-prime or not. So prime factorization of 30 and 45. So let's do the prime factorization of 30 first. It's 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 10, 2 times 5 is 10. Next we'll divide by 3, 3 times 5 is 15 and 5 times 1 is 5. And here we are going to find the factors of 45. It is divisible by 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 1 is remainder, this becomes 15, 3 times 5 is 15 and 5 times 1 is 5. Prime factors of 30 are 2 times 3 times 5, and prime factors of 45 are 3 times 5 times, let's not forget 1, so 5 times 1. So they both have common factors, so let's circle the common factors here. The common factors are 3 and 5. That means they are not co-prime numbers. So here we are going to write common factors are 3 and 5, therefore not co-prime. This is the answer for first one. We are going to box the answer, and now we'll move on to the next two numbers. B part is numbers are 57 and 85. We'll write our guess that these are co-prime numbers because I do not see any common factors. Let's do the prime factorization to find the factors of these numbers. First we'll find the factors of 57. Divisible by 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 2 is remainder, 3 times 9 is 27, and then 19 is a prime number, so 19 times 1 is 19. And next we have 85. It is divisible by 5, 5 times 1 is 5, 3 is remainder, this becomes 35, 5 times 7 is 35, so this is 17, 17 times 1 is 17, because 17 is a prime number. The factors of both the numbers is 3 times 19 times 1, and 85 is 5 times 17 times 1. So now we see that there are no common factors except number 1. So these are co-prime numbers. So let's write the answer. No common prime factors. therefore co-prime numbers. The final answer for B. Now let's move on to the third pair of numbers, which is 121 and 1331. So first we'll guess. I feel these are not co-prime numbers because they both are multiples of 11. Now let's see by prime factorization. So here I am going to do 121 first. So first we'll divide it by 11 because 11 is the factor. 11 times 11 is 121 and 11 times 1 is 11. Next is 1331. Here too we have 11 as one of the factors. So 11 times 1 is 11. 2 is remainder. This becomes 23. 11 times 2 is 22. 1 is remainder. This becomes 11. 11 times 1 is 11. And then we have 11 times 11 is 121 and 11 times 1 is 11. Let's write the factors. 121 is 11 times 11 and 1331 is 11 times 11 times 11. So they both have a common factor of 11. So our answer will be not co-prime numbers. Common prime factor is 11. This is our final answer for part C. Let's do the next part, which is part D. We have two numbers as 343 and 216. One is an even number and the other one is an odd number. So the guess could be they do not have any common factor, so they are co-prime numbers. Our guess is no common factors. Let's do the prime factorization of both the numbers. So first we'll do the prime factorization of 343. So 7 times 4 is 28. 6 is remainder. This becomes 63. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 7 is 49. And 7 times 1 is 7. Now let's find the factors of 216. It is even, so it is divisible by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is not divisible by 2, so we'll put a 0. Then we'll take 2 digits. 2 times 8 is 16. Now 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 is remainder. This becomes 14. 2 times 7 is 14. Now it is odd. It is divisible by 3. 3 times 9 is 27. And 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 1 is 3. So now we got the factors of both the numbers. 343 is 7 times 7 times 7. And 216 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So we do not have any common factor. So our answer will be co-prime numbers because there are no common factors, no common prime factors. So this is our final answer for part D. So this is how we finish question 1 of Figure It Out Class 6 Math, question 1, page 122. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.